Hey everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to build a complete appointment booking agent in SigmaMind AI using just a single prompt with no complex logic and no drag and drop data. So let's start. Here on your home dashboard, click on this Create AI Agent. Now you can see this new feature, new single prompt AI agent. Click on that. So this is our builder for single prompt AI agent. Here we just need to write our prompt, and here you can set the welcome message in a static or dynamic way. Let's first change the name of the AI agent, appointment booking agent. Now let's write the prompt here. I have already written this prompt, so I am just going to copy paste that. And now let's set some welcome message here. Let's say, hey. So I have set this welcome message here. Hey, thanks for calling ABC Hospital. How can I help you today? So this will be my welcome message. Whenever a customer will call, the AI agent will reply with this message. Now for appointment booking, we need some tool here. So here I am going to use cal.com because I have already integrated cal.com with SigmaMind AI. So let's click on this add tool, click on this app action. Now select the app from here. So first one is get slots. So before booking an appointment, I wanted to fetch all the available slots from my calendar. So this action will help me to fetch all available slots from my calendar here. So I have already added these actions. That's why I'm going to use that. You can also add any action and then you can use in your AI agent. So here you can see I have to pass this start date, event type ID, and end date here. I wanted to pass this start date as a variable. So in curly braces, you can also define your variable. So here you can see I have converted the UTC time format to ISO format because cal.com always accepted time format in ISO format. That's why I have to convert this time UTC time to ISO format. You can also use this formula to convert that time zone into ISO format. And now for end date, I wanted to pass the date after the 7 days from the current date. So I'll have to add 7 days in my current date time. So this formula will help me to add 7 days into my current date time. You can also use this formula to add 7 days into a current date time and then convert that time format to ISO format because cal.com always accepted this time format. Here I need to pass my event type ID. So from where you can get that? On your cal.com app, just click on this event type. And here you can see all your event and just click on that. In URL, you can see this number. You just need to copy this number and paste it here. So this number is your event type ID. So AI agent will fetch all the available time slots from this event and click on the submit button. Now our one action is ready. Second thing, I need some information from the customer to book an appointment, like date and time confirmed by the customer, and the name of the customer and email ID of the customer. So for that, I'm going to use this extract variable to store the information from the customer. So first, I need this booking date. So this is appointment date and time confirmed by the customer. So second, I need name of the customer. So these all information I am going to use to book an appointment. These all information AI will take from customer and stored in this variable, and that I am going to use for booking appointment. Now just click on this submit. So in my prompt you can see I have passed this information. If the customer confirm they want to book an appointment, politely confirm the selected date and time and extract the following detail using extract variable function. So all that I have passed in this extract variable. So here appointment date, time, full name, email address, and use the book an appointment tool to complete the booking with the extracted details. So with the extracted details, I am going to book an appointment. One more action I have to add here is for book an appointment. So same cal.com I am going to use here. So I have already added actions for booking an appointment. So that's why I am using this. Here I have already passed this in extracted variable. So same I am going to use here as well. And this is the confirmed date by the customer. Now let's click on submit. That's it. Our AI agent is ready, who will fetch all the available slots from calendar and book an appointment with all the extracted details from the customer. So this is very easy, no complex logic required here. You can also try it out on SigmaMind AI platform. Thank you.